Ibu mới khi mà
Ibu maluma
qua đó sula away away.
I'm from Tangkhul. This is my village. We call it in our dialect Zhifiimai, which is one of the Puomai villages closest to Tangkhul district. Next to our village is Chinjoroi. And like in any other Naga village, this Laonii festival is post-plantation. After paddy plantation, we celebrate once the works are done in a field. The people, for recreation, for relaxation, they celebrate this festival. Like in any other Naga village, again, our village also, our festivals revolves around the paddy plantation, paddy seed sowing festival, and then harvest festival. So in our village, particularly this year, we are organizing in a larger, bigger way after a long time. During the late 80s, during my childhood, we saw lots of wrestling, singing competitions, different ways of traditional games. But then for the last many years, we have stopped and forgotten. So to encourage this year we're organizing it in a bigger way, where right now in the background there's traditional wrestling is going on. There are singing competitions, storytelling, and then pole climbing as such. So this year the festival is in a bigger way. We continue to celebrate this Laonii festival, but then just in the name, just a meal, not in the traditional way like wrestling and all this singing competition. There are traditional games which we used to compete. There are various games like wrestling, pole climbing, jumping and all this. Even in our traditional, we have this high jump competition also. But we stopped that about nearly 40 years now. Yeah, so now this year we're reviving these traditional games after almost 4 decades. So wishing everyone watching happy Laonii festival.
Mai nasulu mai na vikba lumai halori ve kame zuka.